Hi, this is Oshobi, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Glycine Combat 6 Vintage GL0122. I got this watch from Genome Watch Company out of Singapore. Package came to me within 48 hours. It was quite nice of them that they provided a free NATO strap as well with the whole package. Now, the glycine comes with a box, two-piece box. The first box is just the carrying box. Then you have some information from Genome. Uh, you also are given a very small bit of a guarantee document, as well as just a two-pager manual, which I was quite surprised. I would expect that the manual could be a bit thicker with more explanation about the watch, the movements, and so on and so forth. But Glycine felt that it was the same thing. I contacted Glycine, and they themselves, when they forwarded to me, I said, "Can I have a PDF copy of the instruction manual?" They actually just scanned the same two-page manual that I got with my watch. Now, as I said, this is a military style watch using the American military specs, and from here you can see that it's a total black dial watch with a green NATO strap. Very simple, just a date complication, as you can see here. Um, from that perspective, size-wise, sub 40 mm across, light dome sapphire crystal, and I think this is one of my new interests going forward, is about looking into military style watches, because I think they look really nice, and if you take out the NATO strap and pair it with a leather strap, it looks very nice as a formal dress watch as well. So it's a dual purpose use as far as this watch is concerned. It does come with a display case back, which unfortunately, because the package NATO strap that's given to it, you're not able to see the movement in detail. But the movement is more or less a ETA-based kind of structure. They call it the GL0224, but it's just a reworked, but it looks nice. One thing that I wanted to highlight on this particular watch is the fact that yes, it is loomed. There's a C1 Super Luminova paint on the some of the markers as well as on the hands. However, from a quality of the illumination, it looks really poor, and I'm surprised that they didn't put any illumination at all on the seconds hand. As a military watch, you want to look at the seconds as well, and for a military man, if you were to look at this watch, you could not see the seconds. And I think this is something which, for whatever reason, Glycine will have to look at it going forward in the future. Anyway, that's it. Thank you so much. Bye.